7 people die in house fires every day. Every year, thousands sustain life-changing injuries, and house fires cause more than $6 billion in property damage. Responders are vulnerable to injury as well as contamination-related cancers and other disease. An uncontrolled home fire can turn deadly in less than 2 minutes. That's not much time to survive. Within 3 to 5 minutes after a fire has started, flashover occurs. When that happens, everything combustible in the room bursts into flames. No one survives flashover. Typically, the fire department will arrive within 8 to 10 minutes after a fire is reported. That is probably too late for any person who is still in the home. Smoke alarms will warn you that there is smoke, but older adults and young children may not be able to respond to a smoke alarm. Home fire sprinklers will actually suppress and even extinguish the fire before the firefighters arrive. When a fire starts, it produces thick, hot, poisonous smoke. If the fire is not controlled right away, the smoke spreads quickly throughout the house. Fires today burn faster and kill quicker than in the past because the contents of modern homes, including the furniture, are made of materials that burn faster, and the open design of newer homes allows fire to spread quickly. But when a home is protected by sprinklers, the fire is controlled or even extinguished right away before it can spread. Here's how sprinklers work. When the temperature from a fire reaches 135 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the high heat automatically activates the sprinkler closest to the fire. Each fire sprinkler works on its own. The system does not activate all at once. In 90% of fires in sprinklered homes, the fire is controlled by only one sprinkler. The fast response of home fire sprinklers prevents flashover and limits the fire's spread to other rooms. It minimizes exposure by keeping fires small and preventing flashover and structural collapse. Home fire sprinklers save lives. Protect what you value most.